How to schedule dark mode on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to set your phone to automatically switch to dark mode at certain times of day. First, open Settings on your Android. After that, tap on Display from the list. Let me show you. From there, tap on Dark Mode Settings. At this point, turn on the toggle next to Turn On as scheduled. In the next step, tap on Sunset to Sunrise if you want dark mode to follow your local daylight hours automatically. Following this, tap on Custom Schedule instead if you'd rather set your own start and end times. Once done, tap on the Start Time field and set the time you want dark mode to turn on. From here, tap on the End Time field and set the time you want it to switch back to light mode. At this stage, close settings once your schedule is set. Keep in mind, Custom Schedule requires you to manually update the times if your daily routine changes, unlike Sunset to Sunrise, which adjusts automatically. Finally, come back to this same menu anytime you want to adjust or turn off the dark mode schedule. And that's it. If this guide helped you schedule dark mode on Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.